Okay, what is a good place to start learning more about the Arduino architecture and its syntax? Very simple. Under the help menu, check out the reference. So the language reference breaks down everything that you use, and it even breaks it into subcategories of things like control structures, data types, digital analog functions, etc., etc. Just as an example, if we click on 4, we get a description of what it is, we get a sense of its syntax structure, and we even get some example code. More stuff down here, plenty to learn from in anything in this reference. That's a for loop. What else did we see today? We saw map, which should be under, let's see, a math function. So there's map. Again, it tells you how to do this stuff. And very importantly, all of this syntax. So down to every semicolon, every comma, every declaration of an integer or a character, whatever it might be. This is where we learn how to get better at this stuff, and also where to expand our awareness of what is possible. You could spend days, weeks, years going through this information. It is constantly at your fingertips as long as you're internet connected. So use this reference to learn more about how to write your code in Arduino.